And those winds, we have to deal with a little bit, just some breezy conditions, right? But we also have a fire danger in parts of our area.
Yeah, we do, because the winds are breezy. We're looking at above average temperatures, and then we're also going to just continue to stay dry here across North Texas. In fact, we have a frontal system that's swinging through as we speak. It's not going to be cooling us off significantly by any means, but we will continue to watch for some breezy conditions thanks to this frontal system that'll be popping up and moving across the area. There's my box. It just went the right way. Now you can see that we have that frontal system that's continuing to sag down to the south and to the east as we speak. Just a little bit of cooler temperatures is behind the frontal system. In front of it, temperatures are a little bit warmer. So we're in the portions of the area or in the 70s to the south and to the east of the frontal system, and behind it temperatures are in the 60s. Now we'll continue to watch this frontal system as it moves off to the east slowly, but the dry line setup behind it, drier conditions are behind this frontal system as well, so it's ushering in a very dry air mass into the region. It is tapping into a little bit of that moisture as it does sag to the south into the east, maybe a couple spotty showers into far southeastern Texas, but generally speaking, here we are just bone dry, and that's going to be the case through the rest of the day today and into our Thursday time period. You could actually see all of the dry air from our forecast model here. This is the forecast dew points. All of that brown's indicating the real dry air encompassing North Texas and far western Texas up into Oklahoma. That's going to lead to high fire danger, and we get those gusty winds coming from the west and southwest. That's going to lead to not great conditions as we move into the next 24 to 48 hours. Dew point temperatures, which is the measure of the moisture content of the atmosphere, is going to be very low as well. This is our futurecast winds. You can see all the different shades of orange here. That indicates some of the gustier winds that will be expected as we move through the next 48 hours. Today coming from the southwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour. But as we move into the day tomorrow, they will increase coming from the southwest, even getting up to 20 to 25 miles per hour. So the winds, again, dry conditions, as well as the warmer than average temperatures, all ingredients that lead to high fire danger. 78 degrees is the forecast high today here across North Texas into the DFW Metroplex. For those of us off towards the west a little bit further, 80 degrees is going to be the forecast high. Again, high temperature for this time of the year should be around 60 degrees, and so because of that, we're 20 degrees warmer than where we should be for this time of the year. It's going to lead to those elevated conditions. In fact, we're looking at a fire weather watch that's in effect along the Red River Valley in our northwestern counties. In those spots tomorrow, very high fire danger will be in place. And of course, that will encompass the entire region as we move throughout the rest of the day today and into the day tomorrow. Anywhere across the Metroplex, I-35 corridor and stretching off to the west has that potential. So what this means for you is please avoid any activities that may cause a spark or a flame. Let's talk about the current condition. 69 degrees, a little bit of cloud cover, but the cloud cover will be decreasing as we move into later today thanks to that frontal system that's swinging through. That's why we see a little bit of that cloud cover popping up. Right now, winds are from the west northwest around 7 miles per hour, eventually shifting from the southwest, continuing into the afternoon. High temperature around 78 degrees around your 3 to 4 p.m. hour. If you're going to maybe church or mass for your Ash Wednesday, it's looking like a very nice and pleasant afternoon, just a little bit breezy. Tomorrow it will be breezy as well. Winds coming from the west southwest and gusting upwards of 20 miles per hour. Frontal system swings through as we move into the weekend. That'll finally cool us off back into the 60s, and we'll get a slight chance for some rainfall, but chances are very slim.